Today, take a look at the RIZOM 15-piece 3/8" drive extra long Torx bit socket set. Okay. Oh, that's nice. So you got T10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 30, 40, 45, 47, 50, 55, 60. So this goes from a 10 all the way up to a 60. That is a very large Torx head. You can see it is S2 tool steel, so this is very strong stuff, and it is also a T60, so it's printed right there as well. You can also see it is printed on the bottom of the socket as well as chrome vanadium. And I really like it has a little knurl right here, so if you want to just spin this by hand, you can do that. It also comes with a universal joint, so if you need to get inside a weird angle, you can do that. And we have a couple of adapters, so if you want to use a 1/2" drive ratchet or a 1/4" drive ratchet, you can use one of those and still make that happen. So yeah, that is a remarkably complete set. I love that it goes all the way up to a T60. You don't see that very often, especially in a long socket set. And if we take a look at a smaller one, this is the 25. You can see we got a very nicely shaped head on there. With an S2 tool steel, this should last a long time. And this set's going to come in handy because this is a T50, which is a fairly large size Torx. And there we go. Spins it right off. Even with all that length, we still got plenty of torque. Cool. So that is an awesome set.